So from day one, from the moment you switch on the TV, we would see commercials teaching us what beauty is, teaching us what we should look like, what will make us beautiful. I mean, shaving, waxing, threading, plucking were only some of the methods that were taught to us. And oh my, if we were to do them, we would feel more confident, free, and beautiful. But no, we refuse to uphold these standards in society. We are beautiful the way we are. No one has a right to tell us otherwise. No parent, uncle, auntie or friend. We will let our bodies flourish and grow in the beautiful ways it does. It's not disgusting or unhygienic. It's beautiful.